There are several lists of institutions, which are judiciary, legislature, executive, military and police, bureaucracy, legal profession, and civil society. Judiciary. For definition, judiciary, the part of a country's government that is responsible for its legal system and that consists of all the judges in its courts of law. Purpose. The judiciary occupies the highest position in our system of administration of justice. They play an effective role in protecting and defending the constitution and dispensing justice in accordance with law. The judiciary today has the power to interpret the constitutions and lay down what the constitution means. For example, Malaysia has unified judicial system and all courts take cognizance of both federal and state law. The legal system is found on British common law. Most cases come before magistrates and session courts. Religious court decides questions of Islamic law and custom. Legislature. The definition of the legislature is the organ of the government which passes the laws of the government. It is the agency which has the responsibility to formulate the will of the state and vest it with legal authority and force. The purpose is to pass, amend, and repeal acts of law. It is subordinate to head of state. The several example of legislature is House of Representative, People's Assembly, Senate or State Assembly, and the Yang di-Pertuan Agong, King as the head of state, is the third component of parliament. Executive. For definition, the executive is short for executive branch or executive power, and it is the part of government that enforces law and has responsibility for the governance of state. For the purpose, responsible to be elected legislature and to maintain the confidence of the legislature. There are several examples of executive, such as head of state, head of government, defense minister, interior minister, foreign minister, finance minister, and justice minister. Military and police. For definition, military, known as armed force, is a heavily armed, highly organized force primarily intended for warfare, and police is a constituted body of person empowered by a state. Purpose of military and police. Military is to defend of the state and its interests against external armed threat. For police, to enforce the law, to ensure the safety, health and possession of citizens, and to prevent crime and civil disorder. Bureaucracy. The definition of bureaucracy is a complex organization that has multi-layered system and process. The system and process that are put in place effectively make decision-making slow. A bureaucracy describes the methods that are commonly established in government and large organizations, such as corporation. The purpose is they are designed to maintain uniformity and control within the organization. A bureaucracy is pivotal in the administration of the entity's rule and regulation. The example is the bureaucratic process lends itself to criticism and is synonymous with redundancy, arbitrariness, and inefficiency. People often use terms like bureaucrat, bureaucratic, and bureaucracy in a negative context. Legal profession. For definition, the group of persons who have been admitted to practice law of attorney at law pursuant to the law. The legal profession is a vocation that is based on expertise in the law and its application. The purpose is the constitutional and legal status of the legal profession allow it to actively ensure the right of not only each person, but also of the entire civil society to effectively implement the human rights function of the state by ensuring proper interaction in the activities of government bodies and civil society. The example of legal profession is judge and lawyers. Judge required to obtain degree in law and pass all necessary bar exams. Lawyers required 3-year law degree. Civil society. The definition can be understood as the third sector of society, distinct from government and business, and including the family and the private sphere. The purpose is to provide a way to engage productively in this process, to keep tabs on new development and partner with the other organizations working for the common good. Civil society has taken on the role of leading great movement of change, including civil rights, gender equality, and other parity movement. For example, comprise organizations that are not associated with the government, including schools and universities, advocacy groups, professional association, church and cultural institution.
Baby, I'm